Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to change your age on Roblox in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to edit age on Roblox, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps. To change your age on Roblox, first of all, open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Once you are on the main screen, tap on the three dots, More, icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. A menu screen will open. From here, scroll down and tap on Settings. From the Settings menu, tap on Account Info. On the Account Info page, you will see your birthday along with other account details. Tap on the edit icon next to your birthday. A new screen will open where you can update your date of birth. Change the day, month, and year to your correct birthday. After updating, tap on the Continue button. Roblox may ask you for two-step verification. Verify if needed. Once completed, your Roblox age will now be updated in your account.